Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. In my last video, I mentioned how it took me almost 2 days to record my MotoVlog since GoPro messed up my audio big time. So this is a video to help my fellow motovloggers know what exactly is the issue with the new GoPro Hero 8, so no one faces it in future. Let's get started. So what was happening was when I was recording videos, I would go back home, plug it in and check, and the next thing I know is that the audio is very low and there's a lot of wind noise. I would be like, what's happening? Like, you know, it's I would test at home, it would be fine, but when I'm out riding, you know, there's an issue, seems to be with the recording. So I went online, you know, for a couple of days I kept struggling with it till I'm like, okay, you know, either something's wrong with my GoPro media mod or the new Rode mic that I have, the Rode lavalier mic that I have for my motovlog. I still couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. So what I did was I ended up going to Google and searching. Apparently there's an issue with the new GoPro Hero 8 which GoPro hasn't addressed, so no one knows. It's the members who have, you know, users, I would say, who have used the GoPro, and when testing they came across this problem, and you know, that's how they decided to address it, and that's how I figured out. So what happens is when you have your GoPro in your media mod plugged in with your external mic plugged into the GoPro media mod, and you press the quick capture button. When you press the quick capture button and the GoPro is turned off, the GoPro turns on by itself. That's the feature of GoPro, it has been for a while, and starts recording. But guess what? When it starts recording, it's not recording from your external mic that's plugged into the GoPro. It's recording not even from your GoPro media mod mic. It's recording from your internal mic. And that is what was messing things up. The only way to make your external mic plugged into the GoPro media mod work is by turning the GoPro on before you start recording and then pressing the record button. After quite a few failures and erasing all those motovlogs I recorded, when I read online on the GoPro forum and figured this out, I said, okay, you know what, let's try it, and it worked. So that is exactly what happened. Now this is, you're hearing me right now with the GoPro inserted into the GoPro media mod and the external mic, and the way I recorded this is, like I said, I turn on the GoPro before hitting the record button, and that's how it worked. I would like to show you though how it is when I hit the quick capture button. So let me show you how that goes, and you know, we'll take it from there. So this is the GoPro recording now by me pressing the quick capture button. It's recording. I'm sure you can feel the difference in the voice. I'll be posting it once I get home, but the difference is clear. When you press the quick capture button with the external mic plugged in, it doesn't pick up the external mic, and hence the issue that I face, you know, is you all could be facing, or someone else could be facing the same thing too. And let me turn this thing off now and then go back to the regular recording. So here I am back. This time I turned the GoPro on first, then hit the record button, and you can see now the mic is working. One thing to mention though, if you have a battery powered external mic, you will not be facing this issue, because the battery powered external mic keeps the mic on at all times. But if you have a external mic that you're using to record your MotoVlog, which uses the power from the GoPro, that is when you face this issue. I hope this video helps any of the motovloggers out there who do come across this issue which has not been addressed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.